What's up, YouTube? How is it going? So, I've reached my first year on YouTube, and roughly, I'd say about 120 videos and shorts as well. Okay, so what did I learn in 1 year posting content and also live streaming? Okay, so let's look at my YouTube channel here. As you can probably see, let me go ahead and pull it up here really quick. My videos actually got deleted, which is, kind of weird, to be quite honest, but, whatever, I guess. Go ahead and open up this thing here. Okay, so let's look at my YouTube channel here. What I came to realize is that, sticking to a genre or a niche is probably the best way to go here, and actually posting content consistently on a consistent schedule. And what I mean by that is, don't go over a month or 2 months without posting, or do quality stuff. Just don't post it, whatever comes to your mind, which is the mistake that I've committed a lot of the times. I was just, and as I look back at my videos, I can clearly tell the videos that actually did perform well and the ones that did not, right? So then having that information actually helps me to know what my target audience is and what they want to see, and also what YouTube wants me to do more of, because as you can clearly tell, just looking at my channel, the stuff that is not actually really that good is not being pushed by YouTube, right? And the stuff that is watchable and that people might watch, they actually push it so people can see it. So what I've learned here is that I need to basically watch the results of the videos. It's as simple as that. Just look at the videos, see how they're doing, and stick to a niche. Don't commit the same mistakes that I committed, and I think you're gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here is probably gonna start taking the channel seriously now, because now I got all of this data that I can work with. I know the type of content that can actually attain viewers and whatnot, and always make sure to always sound energetic as well. Nobody wants to hear some person who's like sleepy as hell and whatever. Just be energetic, post good content, stuff that is fun and entertaining. If only I could do those things.
The footage you're watching shows how effective
I might give it a go. I might give it a try. Not even kidding you. Alright, so I'll see you guys later. Alright, catch you guys later. Have a good one, and to you next.